we're here in Alexandria Bay, New York. We're getting ready to jump on the Uncle Sam's Two Nation Tour. And then we're going to stop off at Boldt Castle and take a tour, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Tag along with us. There's our boat right back there. All right, we just got it done at the first part of our cruise. How long were you on the water?
2 hours.
2 hours. We left the dock. A 2-hour tour over into Canada. Million Airs Row and a bunch of other stuff. Now they dropped us off here at Boldt Castle. And we're going to grab a bite to eat. There's a little restaurant concession stand right here. Not sure what they have. Then we're going to go tour the castle. So I'm not sure if we're going to throw the castle in this same video or do a separate video of the castle. We'll figure that out later. Alright, hang on, let's go take a look. Alright, so during the editing process, we decided that this would be a great spot to stop on this particular video. We'll do a complete separate video on Boldt Castle in an effort to keep both videos a little bit shorter and hopefully more enjoyable on your end. So let us know, have you done this tour before? Have you taken a different boat tour in this area that others may be interested in? Let us know down below in a comment. As always, if you got anything out of this video, if you enjoyed it at all, how about a thumbs up? Hit that subscribe button down below. And as always, have a great day, and we will see you in the next video.